Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my daily vlog. In this video, I want to talk about something that often happens to many of us is comparing ourselves with others. Okay, sometimes we scroll through social media and see our friends achieving so many things. Good grades, great skills, or big opportunities. Then suddenly we feel like we're not doing enough. Have you ever felt that? Why? Because I have. Uh, it's so easy to think that someone else his life looks better. But what we don't see is the hard work, the late nights, and the struggles behind their success. Everyone's journey is different. Some people bloom early and some bloom later. But every flower still gets its turn to shine, guys. And then maybe today you feel like your progress is slow, but slow progress is still progress. You're still moving and still learning, still growing, and that's what truly matters. Guys, don't let conversation steal your peace. Instead of saying, I'm not as good as them, try saying, I'm still learning and I will get there too. Because the moment you stop comparing, you all start appreciating how far you have already come. Remember, your timeline is not broken, it's just unique. And Allah has written your path perfectly, even if you cannot see the full picture yet. So, take a deep breath and be proud of yourself for how far you have come today. You have exactly where you need to be, and the best is yet to come, inshallah. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching in this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, spread positivity to others too. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone.